Unraveling the Puzzle of Existence, a deep dive. Hello, and welcome to our journey through the English language. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that often captures the imagination and provokes deep thought: the puzzle of existence. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a gateway to endless discussions, philosophical inquiries, and personal reflections. Whether you're an English language learner or a native speaker, understanding such phrases can enrich your comprehension and use of the language. So, let's dive in and uncover the layers behind this intriguing expression. The puzzle of existence refers to the complex, often bewildering questions that surround the nature of life, the universe, and everything within it. It's a metaphor that likens existence to a puzzle, something that is intricate, challenging, and requires effort to understand or solve. This phrase encapsulates the human quest for meaning, the search for the underlying principles of the universe, and our place within it. To fully appreciate the phrase, let's break it down. Puzzle. Typically, a puzzle is a game or problem designed to test ingenuity or knowledge. When we apply this to existence, it suggests that understanding life and its meaning is not straightforward but requires deep thought and contemplation. Existence. This refers to the state of being real, alive, or present. In the context of the phrase, it goes beyond mere survival to encompass the essence of being and the mysteries that life presents. The puzzle of existence is a theme that has been explored by philosophers, theologians, and thinkers throughout history. It touches on several major philosophical questions. What is the purpose of life? Why does the universe exist? What is the nature of consciousness? Engaging with this phrase encourages us to reflect on these questions, even if definitive answers remain elusive. It invites us to participate in a larger, ongoing conversation about the mysteries of life. In English, this phrase is often used in contexts that invoke reflection, wonder, or philosophical discussion. It can be found in literature, academic texts, and casual conversations alike. Here are a few examples of how it might be used. The latest findings in quantum physics add another piece to the puzzle of existence. During quiet nights, I often find myself pondering the puzzle of existence. Understanding when and how to use such phrases can add depth to your language skills and help you express complex ideas more effectively. I hope this exploration into the puzzle of existence has not only expanded your vocabulary but also sparked your curiosity about the profound questions of life and the universe. English is a language rich with expressions that challenge us to think deeply and reflect on our own experiences. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but also about understanding the ideas and cultures they convey. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic journey, and may your exploration of the English language continue to uncover more intriguing puzzles and insights. Keep learning, keep questioning, and until next time, happy learning.